What if I told you that a bad sensor could secretly drain your bank account by guzzling gas like there's no tomorrow? Yeah, your wallet won't thank you for ignoring it. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel where we make car care simple, fun and stress-free. So today we are diving into the 10 most important sensors in your car, what they do, and the symptoms you will notice when they start to fail. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be a sensor expert. Let's get started. First up, the mass airflow sensor, MAF. This little guy measures the amount of air entering your engine so it knows how much fuel to mix in for the perfect combustion. Symptoms of a bad MAF sensor: rough idling or stalling, poor acceleration, decreased fuel efficiency. If your car feels sluggish or your gas mileage drops, this sensor might be the culprit. Next, we have the oxygen sensor. This sensor monitors the amount of oxygen in your exhaust to help your car's computer adjust the air-fuel mixture. Symptoms of a bad O2 sensor: check engine light comes on, poor fuel economy, rough engine performance. If your car starts guzzling gas like it's thirsty, this sensor might need a checkup. Number 3. The throttle position sensor. This sensor tells your car's computer how far the throttle is open, so it knows how much power you're asking for. Symptoms of a bad TPS: jerky acceleration, uneven idling, sudden stalling. If your car feels like it's got a mind of its own, this sensor could be to blame. Alright, number 4 is the coolant temperature sensor. This sensor keeps an eye on your engine's temperature to prevent overheating. Symptoms of a bad coolant temperature sensor: overheating engine, poor fuel economy, check engine light comes on. If your temperature gauge is acting weird, don't ignore it. Your engine could be at risk. Number 5. The crankshaft position sensor. This sensor monitors the position and speed of the crankshaft, which is crucial for engine timing. Symptoms of a bad crankshaft position sensor: engine misfires or stalls, difficulty starting the car, poor acceleration. If your car's acting like it doesn't want to start, this sensor might be the issue. Next up, the camshaft position sensor. This sensor works with the crankshaft sensor to ensure your engine's valves open and close at the right time. Symptoms of a bad camshaft position sensor: rough idling, loss of power, check engine light comes on. If your car feels like it's struggling to breathe, this sensor could be the problem. Number 7. The manifold absolute pressure sensor. This sensor measures the pressure inside the intake manifold to help the engine adjust the air-fuel mixture. Symptoms of a bad MAP sensor: poor fuel economy, rough idling, engine hesitation. If your car feels like it's gasping for air, this sensor might need attention. Alright, number 8 is the knock sensor. This sensor listens for abnormal vibrations or knocking in the engine, which can cause serious damage if ignored. Symptoms of a bad knock sensor: engine knocking or pinging sounds, poor acceleration, check engine light comes on. If your engine sounds like it's trying to start a drum solo, get this sensor checked. Number 9. The wheel speed sensor. This sensor monitors the speed of each wheel, which is crucial for systems like ABS and traction control. Symptoms of a bad wheel speed sensor: ABS or traction control warning lights come on, uneven braking, speedometer issues. If your car's braking feels off, this sensor might be the reason. Last but not least, the fuel pressure sensor. This sensor monitors the pressure in your fuel system to ensure your engine gets the right amount of fuel. Symptoms of a bad fuel pressure sensor: difficulty starting the car, poor fuel economy, engine misfires. If your car's acting like it's on a fuel strike, this sensor could be the issue. And there you have it, the 10 most important sensors in your car and the symptoms you'll notice when they start to fail. These little devices might be small, but they play a huge role in keeping your car running smoothly. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.